I just quickly go run one small errand for my oga. I dey on my way now. They come now.
This man!
Come. I don't tire for this your excuse. Today na today. Today is Valentine, and you must take care of me.
Baby, no be like that. Take am easy now. You know say things rough. This country now get as it be.
Every time excuses. Now you always give me. You know they like spend money for my head. You just stingy. Finish.
Baby, na me dey talk to like that. Hey, hold me, Mr. Tom, Lagos guy. Okay, my dear, no wahala. I dey come there now. Just wait for me. If you take a small thing like malt.
Think say you dey wise.
No wahala, Tom. I don't hear you. I beg, just quickly they come. No go they waste time. Oh.
This girl don't put me for another one chance. Small money when I just chop from betting. Now I go spend that now for Valentine. I don't know why all these ladies just disturb women for Valentine. Wahala every day. Mama, I quickly go meet my woman, Johnny. What is that? It hit me for head now.
My sister, this man na ole. Small boy wey just hit am. Now he make am collapse like this.
70 years old man.
Who be the person wey get mind?
Will you keep quiet?
Throw ball on top Mr. Tom head.
My sister, you know this man?
He named na Mr. Tom. A very stingy guy. I know a well for area. Very useless human being.
Come on, they shut up, Jerry. Who na they call useless? Still who na they apologize. Now stand there, they yab me. Where that na boss self?
You dey use your generation to play.
Oga, we no go gree o. We no go gree at all. You must buy us our ball back. That ball na my auntie buy am for us from America.
Come on, my friend, Mona. Shut up there, Jerry. Wetin I do now go teach you a lesson. Next time, if na see big bros like me, now will give me my due respect.
Oga, we no go gree o. You must buy us this ball back. We no go gree for you. You're not going anywhere.
May God not allow them.
See these small children. Now 12 and I won't stop it. Hold me, Mr. Tom, Lagos guy.
Could have killed
What is going on here? Wetin dey happen?
Uncle, like this brother, we don't know what we do. Just take our ball, just bust now for our front now. And that ball we need, this brother just bust. My very expensive ball now from America, my auntie send them come.
Officer, I beg no mind those children. No, now lie they lie for my head. No wahala. When we reach station, we go talk better.
70 years
Hey,
old man.
officer, today na Valentine now. I'm gonna try show love. Hey, God. Thank you very much, my country people. I'm glad you enjoyed our program. Please hit like and subscribe to support our cause.